How to set up Wi-Fi network on TP-Link Deco X50. Step 1. Connect your Deco unit to the internet source. Plug in an Ethernet cable to any port on the back panel. Plug in the other end of the cable to LAN output on your modem or LAN socket in the wall. Step 2. Power on your Deco unit. Plug in the power cable to the power socket and plug in the adapter to a power outlet. Wait about 1 minute for the indicator on the bottom panel to start blinking blue. Step 2. Install TP-Link Deco application on your smartphone. Open App Store or Google Play Store. Find TP-Link Deco application and download it. Step 3. Set up your Wi-Fi network in the application. Open the app. Accept the terms of use. Upper checkbox is optional, then hit Continue. Allow Deco to find devices on local networks. Log in to your TP-Link ID. If you don't have an account, just create one. Consider if you want to receive notifications from the application and hit Allow or Don't Allow. Turn on two-step verification now or skip this step. Hit Let's begin to start Wi-Fi setup. Allow Deco to find Bluetooth devices. Now it's looking for your Deco unit. Join the Deco's network. Hit Set up the Deco. If you see this screen, hit Create a network. Hit the next arrow. Restart your modem and hit Modem Restarted. Select location for your main Deco. Hit Next. In most cases, your internet connection type is dynamic IP. If you're not sure, contact your internet provider, then select different connection type and hit Next. Create your Wi-Fi network name and create password. Once you're ready, hit Return or Enter on your keyboard and wait for about 2 minutes. Allow the application to join your new network. Hit Join. If you want to add secondary Deco units to your network, hit Add another Deco and follow instructions on the screen, or just hit Done and finish setup. Step 4. Update the Deco's firmware. Hit More tab at the bottom. Select System. Select Update Deco. Hit Download firmware. Confirm your action. Hit Install and wait for installation to complete. And you're all set. Thanks for watching.